are here today to talk about a smart way to disassemble electronic products. I'm currently standing in the largest collection of resold electronics. Today we are looking for an electronic product to disassemble for the Fontes lectorate of high-tech embedded systems. Take for example this battery pack. It still has a lot of usable and reusable, recyclable components inside that can be used in other products. Let's take a look on how to smart disassemble this product.
In this part, the loyal disassembly technician will start the disassembly process. First of all, he has to put on AR glasses, then he will start the disassembly application. A battery pack is scanned using the automatic recognition created for the application. The first battery pack is recognized, but there are no disassembly steps for this product, so we try again with another product. Success! It has now found disassembly steps. We can now start the disassembly process. This was our project. Thank you for paying attention and have a nice day.